We ain't even out in Turks, she finna take sand. Riding around with F and then we like to hold hands. Both was too sipped out, he ain't need a bed. Then I did the pint of tech in a cold red. If I tell this bitch to pull her, she gon' moped it. My doggy don't smoke on shit unless it's unleaded. I don't back and forth over no net, so just gon' did it. See me when you
Hey guys, it's your girl Cyn. Welcome to the vlog. If you're new, go ahead and click the subscribe button and become a part of the tribe. So today we're going to be shopping at Aldi. I like to shop at Aldi's because we are in inflation and we are trying to make our dollar stretch. Trying to get summertime fine, so we're going to be doing a little bit of shopping so that we can make sure that we hit our goals this summer. Now I'm going to be using this app to help me keep track of my foods. Now this app is called the YUKA app. Now you're probably asking, what is the YUKA app? It scans everything from food items, makeup, skincare, and hair products, and then rates them from items from 100 to 0. Anything rated over 50 is considered good by YUKA standards, and the app tests 4 different categories of ingredients risk, ranging from low risk to hazardous. This app does provide some value, helping you become more knowledgeable about the products in your daily routine. To my surprise, many of the everyday staples got shockingly low scores, prompting me to reevaluate and purchase safer products that won't irritate my skin or possibly cause a lot of inflammation in my body. Not gonna lie, by me using this app, it did take me over an hour to grocery shop. It helped me understand all of the preservatives and additives that are put in our foods to help them last longer, but the effects that it can have in the body, that can be incredibly negative. Become hyper aware of everything I'm eating and purchasing from the supermarket now. Suddenly, I felt like all my food choices depended on what YUKA thought it was best for me, yet separating foods into rigid boxes of good and bad didn't sit right with me. Despite the benefits, reliance on food scanning apps many inadvertently foster a sense of anxiety or obsession with food, as individuals might become hyper-focused on every ingredient and its potential impact on their health. After removing 17 fibroids from around my uterus and having a myomectomy, I've been so hyper aware of what I've been putting into my body, and I've been really strict on what I've been kind of feeding and nurturing my body. I also feel like I have to stay from certain foods because I'm afraid of inflammation. I'm also deadly afraid of my fibers returning back, so I've been really focused on making sure that I've had quality foods, quality fruits and vegetables, or just quality foods that I really enjoy without having to kind of restrict myself too much. As always, moderation is key, so I've been having a healthy balance of enjoying the things that I love, but also cutting some things out that I know are no longer good for my body, especially when it comes to the inflammation, especially when it comes to mucus in the body and where it's located. I'm trying to avoid that at all costs. I love kombucha. I have one at least once a day. It's a huge component as far as my gut health, and it's a really good probiotic. So far, the app sounds pretty great. It's an easy and accessible way to make better and healthier choices. I also realized that things that I love to snack on, I no longer can snack on them because they're not as safe or they're not as healthy as I thought they were, even if it has an organic stamp on it. Scanning various food products started to feel like a fun game. It was interesting to see how some of the foods in my fridge scored, particularly if YUKA had declared them as unhealthy despite seeming healthy. I would use this app as a tool, not a rule book. Remember that food scanning apps are meant to provide guidance and educational information, but they shouldn't dictate every food choice you make. My main goal is to get as much protein as I possibly can because I am trying to incorporate a cut this time around. I am trying to kind of make sure that I lower my body percentage, my body fat percentage. That is my main goal that I want to focus on this summer. I do like the muscle that I have contributed over the years, over the months, by lifting very heavily and doing some sort of progressive overload. But at this point in my lifestyle journey, I do want to make sure that I am cutting as much as I possibly can. Again, I was incredibly shocked at some of the things that I thought were so healthy for me and that I've been literally buying for years now, and realizing that they're not good for me. I was really second guessing all of my choices that I've made throughout the year. My health has been incredibly important to me after my myomectomy, and that was just a scary process that I went through with removing fibroids out of my uterus, from around my uterus, And I just want to make sure that I'm making the right decisions and making sure that I'm treating my body as nicely as I possibly can. Now, I'm a huge coffee lover. I've been trying to incorporate teas more often in my daily routine, but I love me my coffee, and I was shocked that my favorite coffee was pretty good up on the YUKA app. I was really happy about that. But what I was completely shocked about was the creamer. Now, I only drink oat milk creamer, and the creamer that I usually get, you guys, I had to put it back. I was shocked. I was just like, this creamer is not up to par. It literally scored, I believe, a 3. And I was just like, from 1 to 100, a score 3, I can't have it. So I literally have to go to Trader Joe's now to get me my creamer, because I do have a creamer at Trader Joe's that I absolutely love. And we're going to see how that rates. But I just got to get me some sparkling water. I love me my sparkling water. I like me my LaCroix. It does me good. That is my favorite sparkling water, or Perrier water. I also got me some tuna for protein as well. I got a couple of tuna cans because I want to spread this out throughout the week. I can have them with my rice cakes. I didn't expect to be in Aldi's for over an hour, but I really learned a lot about what I've been putting in my body. I've learned a lot about the types of foods that are offered as well in the supermarkets. Some of the things can be really, really bad for you, and some of these can be really, really great for you. It just all depends on your lifestyle. You want to make sure that you're incorporating good, valuable food in your lifestyle. So you guys, I just got it at Aldi's. I just realized that now I have to go to Trader Joe's because some of the things that I need from Trader Joe's are not in Aldi's. Of course, you guys know Trader Joe's makes their own particular kind of foods. So I'm gonna head over to Trader Joe's and pick up a couple of things. There's some items that I love at Trader Joe's that you cannot find at Publix, Walmart, Target, or even Aldi's, or even like Kroger's. So I'm gonna head over to Trader Joe's and I'm gonna pick up some few things, and then when I get home, I'll show you the things that I got. And this is a total of my Aldi's run. I brought a lot of things, and I was surprised that it only came up to about $167. Now we are at Trader Joe's, like my favorite grocery stores, one of my favorite grocery stores, and I'm just grabbing my essentials. I love me some kimchi, which is a really good probiotic, fermented cabbage. I love kimchi. I can just have a scoop a day. And then I'm going to get me my favorite trail mix crackers. Is that by scanning the barcode, you'll get a quick and easy overview of the health and environmental impacts of the product. It also considers the number of calories, sugar, salt, saturated fats, proteins, and fiber in each product, taking into account independent studies. 10% of the scores comes down to whether or not the product has a official seal of national or international organizations to show they're certified organic. When the product reviews a low score, the app offers alternative foods or product recommendations that are better for you or better for your health off, I should say. For example, instead of ordinary table salt, YUKA recommends sea salt. And I spent about $104 at Trader Joe's, and this is my Trader Joe's run. And all of these groceries, all of these vegetables, all of these foods are going to last me about 3 weeks, so I'm not going to be shopping again till the end of the month.
Guys, that is it. That is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys like this little video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.